I'm camping alone for 2 nights at Devil's Lake, right next to the Pacific Ocean on the Oregon coast. I kick this episode off by setting up my camp, cooking a delicious dinner, and getting a fire started for a relaxing evening. Let's get going. Okay, here's the inside of my tent. I try to make the bed more presentable this time. I think we've got ourselves a winner. So I'm back again at the Oregon coast camping for a few nights. I'm at this campground called Devil's Lake. It's a lake that's right next to the ocean inside the city of Lincoln City, which is kind of interesting. I've always driven by here over the years, but I never stopped to actually check it out. And so now I'm here, not the most private campground. So I may not come here again. We'll see how it goes. But so far it's been pretty good. I've upgraded my water. I've got a 5-gallon water jug and it's got a dispenser. Just push the button. Pretty cool. We'll see how this goes. If you look closely in the brush, you can see a deer. So I'm making beef stroganoff. This is just a substitute for Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. Didn't think this one through. I might. This is my beef stroganoff over rice. Let's try this. Bugs flying around. That's good. This is a very yummy dinner. I'm not a huge fan of pasta. So the last time I had stroganoff, I had it with pasta. So I made it with rice this time. And it's also good over mashed potatoes too. So for dessert, I'm having fruitcake. And you're asking probably, why are you having fruitcake? It's not Christmas time. Well, we have a family friend who likes to make homemade fruitcake, and I've had this frozen, I think, for maybe a year or two. Anyways, I thought it'd be kind of nice to bring it camping. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So good. Devil's Lake is beautiful, and you can't beat the location. I may have to give it one more shot during the fall season when it's less crowded. What do you think? Okay, this is a breakfast scramble using hash browns, eggs, and Spam, which I haven't had in years, so hopefully it's good. The Spam's actually really good. I might have to do it on the next camping trip, but one thing I will need to do next time is bring my cast iron. I only brought my cooking mess kit, and it was a mistake. I need my cast iron, so it'd make this so much easier and better. So. Thanks for joining me on day 1 of this trip. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on day 2, where we'll explore the beach and hike in a spooky forest. Until then, go chase your own wild.